Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY shadow box. I'm just making sure that the hook is at the top before I get started. I picked out this super cute paper and I'm adding 4 glue dots to the corners. Once those are set, I'm just going to place my paper inside the box and make sure that all the corners are secure and I'm not going to lose my page. Next I'm going to take my wire and thread it through one of the holes on the side of the frame. And I'm going to make sure that I bend the back of the wire to keep it nice and secure, so that way when I'm doing my beading, I don't lose any of my beads. Next, I'm going to take my beads and thread half of them on in my own little pattern. I have a bunch of colors that match my page, so I'm just kind of trying not to put like colors next to each other. Once you have half of that done, you can start adding your word. Mine is for Mother's Day, so I chose the word Mama Bear. So I'm starting to thread that in, and then using my colored beads as the space in between the two words. This would be the time to make sure everything is spelled right in your hand, because messing that up would be a little bit frustrating. Once that word's on, you just want to repeat what you did on the other side and fill in the rest of the beads. Now that I have that done, I'm going to thread the other end of my wire through the other hole and pull it through and bend and reshape the wire to make sure it's a nice straight line, and I like how everything lines up. I want my wire to be as flat to the frame as possible, so that way my letter beads don't spin on their wire. Next, I'm going to take my clothespins that were also in my bag and add 2 of the press-on dots to the back of them and secure them in the middle of the frame. I placed a card inside mine that I wrote out for my mom as a little placeholder before we print out a picture to put inside, so she can choose what she wants to add there. And now I'm just taking glue dots and adding them to the back of these little embellishment flowers, placing them where I like, and there you have it. That is the DIY shadow box.